So this is just a quick walkthrough for how to use the basics of Invision. We have a upload, which once you access the link that we shared, you'll get to see the landing page. And what's nice about Invision is by default, it's in play mode, which is good because usually these are like multi-click prototypes. And so you would be able to play it and just like basically see it the way a user would see it. And then there's this build mode, which is when you want to link one thing to another. And then the important one for you right now is the comment mode. So here with comment mode, you can click anywhere. And for example, buttercream, we thought that maybe that didn't pass the brand sort of feel. And so you could just click on the hotspot and then say, switch to XYZ quote, and then enter doesn't actually publish it. So you have to click post, and then there you go. If you want, you can click on it again and resolve it if it's been fixed, or if you want to edit it because you were like, oh, wait, no, switch to ABC quote, oops, ABC quote, then you can just save it like that. And you can go just, anywhere throughout the document and leave comments as you see fit. And I can then reply to you, and you would get an email about that. So I will get an email actually when you send these comments, so then I can, make the changes and all of that. And then this inspect mode, you don't have to worry about. So as you see before, like it shows in the screen here how many comments were made. So I could just go in and boom, look at what you had to say. All right, cool. Thank you. Hopefully that helped.